friends, Mrs. Rixner from Henry Clay, and I've got some fun things that we're going to do today with math and frogs. First, I would like to show you what I made over here on my board. This is going to be our pretend pond, and this is going to be our log. And we are going to sing a song about frogs on a log. Wait a minute. Frog, log. They rhyme. We have rhyming words in our math lesson today. How fun is that? I would like to start this with a song about frogs on a log in a pond. Here we go.
5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Four little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Three little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Two little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub.
Wow, that was fun. So we sang about 5 speckled frogs that sat on the log, and they jumped into the water one by one by one by one. I would like to tell you a story about some frogs. First, we're going to pretend these are all frogs. And put them all together like this. I've got one row like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1. I'm gonna mix them all up right over here on my board. Pond anymore. And I am going to tell you a story about our pond and our frogs. Here we go. Once there were 4 frogs sleeping on a log. Then 3 frogs that were swimming in the pond looking for fish to eat jumped onto the log and woke up the other frogs. Oh no. So I wonder which one of these, we're going to see if we can tell that story using our stacks of frogs. So the first part said there were 4 frogs sitting on a log, which is different from our song because our song had 5. Now we're looking for one with 4. Let's see. Is that 4 frogs? 1, 2, 3. I don't think so. That looks like 3. Let's see. This one? 4 frogs? No, that's 2. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's 5. Those are the ones we've sitting on the log before. We know that's only 1. Must be this pile right here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. I wonder if I turn it sideways, if it's still going to be 4 frogs. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I wonder if I turn it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's still 4 frogs. Oh, so our 4 frogs were sitting on the log, just chilling, eating some bugs, flying on by. Then, how many were swimming in the pond? I remember it was 3. So we need to find which one of these has 3. Which one is 3? Well, this looks like more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's more than 3. We don't need that one. Throw it away. 3. This one? No. There's 3. All right, so 3. We're going to have 3 frogs swimming around. Swim, 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 looking for fish to eat. Meanwhile, the 4 are eating up their bugs. Now, the end of the story said the 3 frogs that were swimming in the pond jumped onto the log and woke up the other frogs. I wonder how many frogs we have all together. We had 4, and we're going to have 3 more. So I guess we could count them all together and see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 frogs all together. So another way to say that is 4 plus 3 equals 7. And that's called adding. We added the number of frogs on the log to the number of frogs that jumped onto the log from the water. 4 were on the log, 3 were in the water. They joined them. 4 plus 3 more equals 7 frogs. That is great. Now let's see if we can do one more activity with our frogs. I would like to arrange these stacks of frogs from smallest to biggest. So, which one is smaller? This one or this one? Oh, you're right. The one with 1 frog. I'm going to put them all on the log this time. So we'll start with 1. Oh, I'm going to try and trick you. Now, which one comes next after the 1? 2, right. Then comes 2 frogs. And after 2 frogs comes, yes, 3 frogs. And then comes 4 frogs. And finally, 5 frogs. You are right. Look at all those frogs on our log. And if we notice, the frogs, when they get more, they get taller. So we had 1, and then we had 2. So that added 1 more frog to the 1. Then we had 2, and it turned into 3 by adding 1 more frog. Let's see how the 3 turned into 4. You got it. It added 1 more frog. So the 4 turned into 5 by adding 1 more frog. Wow. So we arranged our frogs from the least, the smallest number, which was 1 frog, all the way up to the largest number, which was 5 frogs. And if we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are counting forward and our number is increasing. Just like we did last time Mrs. Rixner did math with you and our numbers of elephants increased. Remember that when they were playing in the spider web? So I wonder if I mix them up again and we start with the largest number, which was 5. And we put 5 on here. Oops. And we put 5 on here. And if we were to take away 1, how many is left? 4. Yes. And if we were going to take away 1 from the 4, I see 3 left. Let's put the 3 there. And if we were going to take away 1 from the 3, how many would be left? 2. You are so right. And then if we take away 1, if we have 2 and we take away 1, how many's left? You're right, 1. So this one starts with 5 frogs, then it goes to 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. It starts with the largest amount of frogs, and it goes down to the smallest number. It decreases. And when our numbers decrease, we are counting backwards. Let's try that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So I hope you had fun with our speckled frogs on the speckled logs, eating all those delicious, delicious bugs. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye-bye. But wait, there's more. I just had this thought after I signed off a few minutes ago about our frogs on the logs. I bet you could find things in your house that you could add 1 more to and make more of, like maybe crayons or your toys or things like that, and things that you could do and have a bunch of and make 1 less. Like we used to do in Miss Rixner's class, the chicken nuggets. When you have 5 chicken nuggets and you eat 1, then there are 4. So there are lots of ways you can use the things that we've learned today, adding 1 or adding 2 and making more, or taking away and making less. That's all for now. See you soon. Bye-bye.